Diversity has always been at the heart of Off2Class. The three co-founders originate from 3 countries on 3 different continents. Aside from a common passion for education, our backgrounds are surprisingly different. The variety in our life experiences and interests brought us together with the goal to build a product that teachers will love and love to use. While we are still both a young and small company, we've grown a lot since we launched the website in 2015. You, our clients and customers, are a pretty diverse group of people. And the team at Off2Class is about as diverse as it gets. So we especially want to celebrate our diversity on our birthday. So happy birthday to Off2Class, or as we would say in my adopted hometown of Montreal, joyeux anniversaire.
はい、ではお誕生日おめでとうございます。Off2Class。
Feliz cumpleaños Off2Class.
Salgara Mubarak Off2Class.
Janamdin Mubarak Off2Class.
Maligayang karawan Off2Class.
Off2Class تولدت مبارک.
Nalashoan Off2Class.
Off2Class 生日快樂
Gelukkige herdenking Off2Class.
Happy birthday, y'all.